we'll guide you through how to install Penpot on Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening up File Explorer, which you can easily do by pressing the Windows key and E at the same time. Navigate to your primary drive and create a new folder named Penpot-server. Next, open a PowerShell window on your computer to handle the command line operations. Use the change directory command to quickly navigate into your C drive and directly into that newly created Penpot-server folder. You now need to download the necessary configuration file, so run an invoke web request command to successfully fetch the Docker compose.yaml file from the official Penpot GitHub repository and save it into your folder. After the download completes, open up that newly saved Docker compose.yaml file using your preferred text editing application. Carefully scan through the document text until you locate the specific environment variable labeled Penpot secret key. Once it is found, delete the default text and replace it with a highly secure, unique secret key of your own choosing. Save the file so your new security changes are applied. Before moving on, take a moment to ensure your Docker desktop application is actively running in the background. Return your focus to the PowerShell window you were using earlier. Start the Penpot application by running the Docker compose command specifically configured for the Penpot project using your YAML file, making sure to include the flag to run everything quietly in detached mode. Wait a brief moment for the startup to fully finish, and then verify the containers are actively running by executing the standard Docker process status command. With the backend operational, open your web browser and visit the local interface by typing http://localhost:9001 directly into the address bar and hitting enter. Finally, when the web page loads, complete the process by creating a new Penpot account or signing in to an existing profile.